Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Now I'm trying something I've never done before, and that is I bought some of these Bangle Moulds. Now, I can't see who this would fit, to be honest, but hopefully when it comes out it might be a little bit bigger, because this was the largest one I could buy. So I've got some resin mixed up here, and I'm going to pour it. It's got some antique gold colouring in it, and I'm just going to try and pour it in as carefully as possible. I'm not putting any embellishments in this. I just want to pour the bracelet, because I really like this colour and how it comes out, but I'm hoping this bracelet mould will kind of be bigger once it's out. I don't know how that's going to be possible, but I'd love to know what you think if you've made bracelets, or where you get your moulds from that will fit an adult. I mean, I could wear this as a ring, I think, but we will see. Let's clean that up a little bit. And these come in a set, and the other two that are in the set are even smaller than these. So I'm not quite sure who they're designed for. I may have to make my own mould if I don't feel this has come out big enough. Oh no, I always make a mess right at the end. So that's that one. And I'm also going to make some little diamonds as well. Because I think I might be able to use these in a resin project later on. Now, there's going to be bubbles in this, but I'm not too worried because the colour is quite deep, and they will be resined over anyway, used in something else, because I may pop them inside of another resin pour. There we go. I will give them a little bit of a go over with the heat gun. The few bubbles that are on the top. I am going to take a bit out of this one because I think I've overfilled. There we go. So we'll see what those come out like, because they will be used for something else, another project that you'll see me do in the future. Been curing now for over 24 hours. I'm not sure how well this is going to come out, because I've never used this mould before. So let's have a look. Oh, that's come out really well. I'm not sure how smaller hands you're meant to have, but mate, I've got quite fat hands. There's a little bit of trimming I need to do around that edge, a tiny bit of sanding. But other than that, that's come out okay. Actually, I think that's really, really pretty. So let's see how these little stones have come out as well. Yes, these have come out great. I'm really pleased with those. I'll pop them on something white so we can see them a little bit easier. So the bangles come out really well, and so have the stones. And the great thing is there's no bubbles in them, and I can use these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably put them into another resin piece. So I will make a cast, put these in with some other coloured ones as well. Okay, so I hope you liked that. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I will respond to all comments. And thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.